How to create reusable end screen credits animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Add a Text Plus node and connect its output to the output of background to merge it. Select the text, typecast, and change its style to your liking. Drag the text in the viewer a little upward. Add another Text Plus node and connect its output to the output of Merge node to merge it. Select the text, type or paste some names here, one name per line. Change its style to your liking. Make sure to click on these two buttons to align it to the top and right. Select the first text and change its distance from the bottom text to your liking. Then go to Layout tab and copy center Y value. Select the second text, go to Layout tab, and copy its center Y value. Subtract it from the first number, and copy the result. So, the distance between these two texts is that amount. Select the first text again and click on this Pin button to pin it to Inspector. Select the second text, right-click on Y property, and choose Expression. For the second value, type text1.center.y minus that value you copied. Pay attention to lower and upper cases here, it's important. Press Ctrl+C to copy text 2 and paste it with Ctrl+V. Connect the new text to the output of Merge to add another merge. Select the new text and paste some other names, one per line. Click on this button to align it to the left. In the Layout tab, in the expression, increase the first value a little bit. Here for me, it's 0.5, which I make it 0.52. Change the style of the new text to your liking. Now select the first text and by changing its position, other text's position will change. Move it to the bottom out of viewer, move playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to center. Move it to frame 10 and increase Y until the last text is out of frame from top. If you give a possibility that your text might be longer, you can increase Y value. Select Merge node, press Shift+space, search for keyframe stretcher, and add it. Set source start to 0 and source end to 10, stretch start to 0, and stretch end to 10. Now the animation lasts for the entire length of the composition. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline. The good thing about this is that if you change the size of the layer, it still works fine. Also, you can make a macro from it so you are able to change the names easily on the Edit page.